how to download and set up the Binance Wallet on your iPhone. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just looking to manage your assets, this guide will help you get started. Let's dive in. Here's how to download the Binance Wallet app on your phone. Unlock your iPhone and go to the App Store. In the search bar, type Binance Wallet. And search for the app. Now look for the Binance Wallet app in the search results. The official app should be listed as Binance by Bitcoin and Crypto or similar, developed by Binance. Now tap on the Binance Wallet app to view its details. Tap on the Get button next to the app. You might need to authenticate with your Apple ID, Face ID or Touch ID. Wait for the app to download and install on your phone. And that's it. By following this step, you've successfully downloaded and set up the Binance Wallet on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more crypto tips and tricks.